So check this out guys, you can start making a lot of money online right here just by promoting some cool CPA marketing offers, which I'm going to walk you through how you can easily go on to doing that and how you could drive traffic to such offers and also make money right there. Not only is this strategy a beginner friendly one, it's also a 100% free one that you can leverage right there to go on to making a lot of cool cash right there online with CPA marketing. If you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right now. You can also hit the like button to the video you're watching right now, subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. And if you do that guys, you will get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today, let's go on. So the first platform we're going to be utilizing right now is this platform called CPA Grip, and you want to just simply use this platform to get CPA marketing offers. If you don't know what CPA marketing actually is, it stands for cost per action. It's a kind of affiliate marketing that you direct people to go on to doing simple tasks, and you're going to get paid some cool commission. So you can come right here, click on register. You will be brought to a page such as this, and you want to fill out some basic details right here and all the fields with the red asterisk sign, and actually go on to agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out right there before getting an account created on this platform. So once your account has actually been created, you can go on further to logging into your account. So take a look at this guys, I'm logged into my account right now, and you want to come onto a page such as this to select offers. You can actually come right here guys, and you can just simply click on the offer tools option. Once you click on that guys, you can actually go on to selecting my offers from the drop down list that will be shown onto you, and you can then come onto the page similar to this. Make sure you filter your offers to get offers from the United States, because the traffic source we're going to be utilizing get almost 50% of its traffic from the United States, and all other percentage are actually coming from all other countries out there in the world. So you want to just simply select the United States offer, and you can actually go into filtering your offer based on payout. Make sure you're going to select a very cool kind of offer right there. You can select a cool offer right now that actually is like a survey offer, and if you don't actually get something like that, select a cool kind of sweepstake offer. And this is a cool sweepstake offer that gives out $4,500 cash right now. And you can see right here, all your leads actually need to do is to come from the United States, utilize an Android device to submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link. And I'm gonna just simply get paid $1.02 for every person that does that. This is quite simple right now. All you need to do is to copy the link to this particular landing page. You want to just go on to right clicking on this image and save the image on your device right there, because we're going to utilize this later on in the video. So once the image has actually been saved, we want to just simply go on to creating a simple landing page, and we can create a simple landing page with platforms like Google Sites. So take a look at this simple landing page that was created right now for this purpose. You can actually do see how cool the landing page looks like. All you need to do to create something like this is come onto Google Site right now, click on this blank icon, and if you do click on that right there, this page is going to load up, of which you can actually hover around this section, click on this delete icon, click on the text box, and actually going to type in something quite cool. So if I do type in something like this right now, and also going to centralizing this text right here, you can see how cool that actually is. You can make this bold, you could also increase the font size right now. Then you could actually then go on to maybe Google right now and go on to searching for giveaway kind of images, because the offer is actually a giveaway offer. Download one of the image right now, and we're going to utilize that right there. As you can see, I'm utilizing this image. I'm just going to go back to this particular platform right now. I'm going to click on upload, click on upload right now, and go on to selecting that exact same image right there, which we actually did download right now. And if I do select the image and the image from our CPA offer, click on open, and the images are actually being uploaded. What I'm going to do right now is to drag one to the bottom section, and I can actually go on to making this quite bigger. If I make this quite bigger and also stretch this right here to come onto this section, I can also again go on to centralizing this. Now you could do the same and similar thing for this right now. I'm just going to stretch this right here to something like this section right now, and also go on to stretching this to actually fill out the entirety. Or maybe I'm just going to drag this to end here. Then you also want to go on to centralizing this also. So now you can see how cool this actually looks like. Maybe I can actually increase this size right here so as to actually fit into the second image also. So once that is done, take a look at this right now. So you want to just simply add a text box at the bottom, and for that text box, guys, you can type in something such as this. You can actually go on to increasing the font size. Maybe I can take the font size to 24 right now. I can then just simply centralize this text right now. Once the text has actually been centralized, the next thing right now which you want to do is to actually go on to adding a button. So scroll through this section, click on button, and you want to give the button a name, something like click here. Maybe if I come onto this section, I'm going to type in click, then I'm going to also type in here. Now you want to head back to that CPA marketing offer, copy the link, head back to that landing page, paste in the link to the landing page, and you'll be going to clicking on insert. You can see how cool this looks like. Drag and drop that in this section, and with that, guys, your landing page has been created. Just simply going to clicking on publish, select the cool domain for this, and actually publish this right now. So once you've actually done publishing this right here, you'll be brought to a page such as this. You just want to click on this particular link icon, and you can just simply copy the link to the landing page and go on to promoting this. Now, to promote this landing page, we want to head onto a cool platform first of all called the QR-code-generator.com. Now on this platform, guys, just simply paste in that particular link to that CPA landing page, and it's going to convert that to a QR code. Once it converts that, just simply go on to downloading the code, but select the frame right that is suitable to you. Then just simply come right here, click on download, and that will be downloaded on your device. Next, head on to this platform called Canva, and you want to click on the custom size, select the 1000 height and 1000 width, then click on create new design. It's going to lead you to a very cool page right there where you can actually create something quite cool. Now take a look at what I actually went on to creating right here, which is something like earn passive income. And once you just simply create something quite cool that is actually attractive, make sure you add in that particular QR code at the bottom section right there, maybe at the corner section or any section that is quite suitable for you. Click on share right now, download the QR code from your or this particular image on your device. When the image has actually been downloaded, you can actually then head on to a platform called tumblr.com. And this is a very cool platform that gets most of its traffic from the United States. You can see that this platform gets about 197,000 or 197 million visits in the last 28 days. And scrolling down to the bottom section, you can see that most of its traffic comes from the United States right here. About 44% of its traffic comes from the United States, 5 from United Kingdom, 5 from Canada, 3 from Germany, 2 from Australia, and other countries actually share that 38% right now. So you can see right here that a huge amount of this traffic comes from the United States, which is why we're actually promoting a United States offer. Come onto the platform. After signing up, you can actually do click on photo and go on to uploading that photo with a very cool tag right there. Just simply click on the upload icon, select that particular photo. The photo will be inserted right here. Add a very cool tag right now that's actually attractive right there, and go on to promoting this right now on this platform or posting that on the platform. You can also go on to messaging people directly. As you can see, these are actually some individuals you can message directly right now. Now once you message such people directly, also send them those images and add a very cool caption. And with this strategy, guys, you can actually go on to getting a lot of cool traffic to your CPA marketing offer. Now if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to my channel or to the video right now. Subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on, also as we get other cool and amazing strategies to make money online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.